In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect EsaFX in Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to link your EsaFX account directly to Tradingview, so you can place trades right from your charts, instead of switching between different platforms. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you'll want to create a free account first, because the trading panel we're going to use is only available when you're signed in. Once you're on Tradingview and logged in, look for the option called Supercharts, or simply Chart. This is usually found in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on it to open a full-featured chart window. This is the main workspace where you'll be doing your technical analysis and, after setting things up, executing trades through EsaFX. When the chart loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the bottom of the screen, you should see a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the bottom area of the chart. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. This is where Tradingview lists all the brokers and trading services you can connect to. After the panel opens, you'll see a selection of brokers and platforms. To reveal the full list, click on Show All Brokers. This expands the view so you can see every available connection option supported by Tradingview. It's helpful to scroll through this list if you're curious, but for now, we're going to focus on EsaFX. In the trading panel, locate the search bar and type EsaFX. Make sure you type it correctly so Tradingview can find the right integration. Once the search results appear, you should see EsaFX listed as a connectable broker. Click on EsaFX in the list and then select the option to connect. Tradingview will prompt you to log in or authorize access to your EsaFX account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Typically, this involves entering your EsaFX login details on a secure page and confirming that you give Tradingview permission to access your trading account. When the connection is successful, your EsaFX account will be linked to Tradingview. You'll be able to place trades, monitor positions, and manage orders directly from your charts, all through the Tradingview interface using your EsaFX account.